say hello. Hello. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this look. This is a recreated look by @Ravenbird_MUA, who was inspired by @FaceBy_Malin. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Now let's get into the video. So using the ColourPop Precision Brow, I'm just gonna go in and fill in the ends of my brows and basically just create a long tail and fill that in only about halfway. Next, using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, I think in medium 28, I'm just gonna clean up the bottom of my brow. Next, taking that same concealer, I'm just gonna prime my lids, and then I'm going to blend it out and then set it with a translucent color. Next, taking the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color 00, I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease. Now I'm basically just going to drag out that crease all the way to the end of my brow and making that crease a little bit bigger. So after that, I just waited for the concealer to dry a little bit and then I'll blend it out. And now taking the Certified Tropical Wonders palette, using that yellow and orange color, I'm basically just going to blend that out together. Now using the Certified Destiny palette, I'm gonna take a red and mix it with the pink from the Tropical Wonders palette. So basically all the next steps are the same, so I'm just gonna create a rainbow and do my best to blend them all together. Again, taking the same concealer, I'm just going to clean up the bottom of the wing and make it a lot sharper. Now taking the NYX matte liquid eyeliner, I'm just going to line out all the colors on the top and the bottom, and then next basically create lots of blobs and circles all around where the black eyeliner is. You use your water bill to try to stain like me. Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Do you tell yourself? Next, taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 335, I'm just gonna blend that all over, as well as using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer again, putting that under my eyes, my forehead, and my chin. Now I'm just going to set the highlight areas with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer Loose Powder in Banana. And then taking the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro contour palette and just contouring and bronzing my face. So when it comes to contouring my nose, I will contour under the tip of my nose, on the bridges of my nose, on the sides, and then I'll contour on the tip of my nose just to make it more of like a button nose. Then just going back in with the Certified palettes, I'm just going to color my under eyes, and I'm not gonna do the black dots on the under eyes this time. Now taking the Makeup Revolution Oil Control Spray, I'm just gonna spray that all over before I highlight. So now for highlight, I'm gonna use ColourPop's InNudeEndo highlight palette, and I'm just gonna highlight my cheeks, my nose, and my chin. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Twitter at LexusMPerez. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys on the next video.